In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in Zoho Books. If you've been meaning to tighten up your account security or simply rotate your credentials, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact places to click and what to look for, with tips to keep the process smooth. Start by opening your web browser and heading to books.zoho.com. Sign into your Zoho Books account as you normally would. Once the dashboard loads, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It's typically a small circular avatar or an initial. Click that icon to open the account menu. From the menu that appears, choose My Account. This takes you to your Zoho account settings, which manage security for all Zoho services linked to your login, including Zoho Books. It may open in the same tab or a new one, depending on your browser settings, so keep an eye on your tabs. Inside your Zoho account, find and select the security section. This is where you control your sign-in settings, authentication preferences, and password options. If the page has a sidebar, security will be one of the main items there. Give the page a moment to load fully so all options appear. Within the security area, look for the password section. You'll see an option labeled Set Password. Click Set Password to begin changing your password. At this point, it's normal for Zoho to ask for identity verification, such as re-entering your current password or confirming a code sent to your device or email. This step helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. When the new password fields are displayed, choose a password that's strong and unique. Aim for a long passphrase or a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites and steer clear of personal details that are easy to guess. A reputable password manager can help you generate and securely store a complex password so you don't have to memorize it. Carefully type your new password, then confirm it in the second field to ensure they match. Before you proceed, double check for typos, especially if you're on a mobile keyboard. When you're ready, follow the on-screen prompt to save or update the password. You should see a confirmation message indicating the change was successful. Your updated password now applies to your Zoho account, which covers Zoho Books and other Zoho apps you use. The next time you sign in, use your new credentials. If the option doesn't appear or something looks different, refresh the page, make sure you're signed into the correct Zoho account, or try a private browsing window to rule out caching issues. That's all you need to change your password in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching and stay secure.